Welcome to the Regions Bank mobile app tutorial. Today, we'll explore how this app can simplify your banking experience in 2025. First, let's get the app. Head to your device's app store, search for Regions Bank mobile app, and hit download. Once installed, open the app and follow the prompts to create your Regions Bank account. It's quick and easy. Now, let's take a look at the user interface. You'll find a clean layout that makes navigation a breeze. Explore key features such as mobile check deposits, fund transfers, and bill pay, all at your fingertips. Manage your account alerts and notifications to stay updated and enhance your security. Utilize the budgeting tools within the app to track your expenses and manage finances effectively. For quick access, set up biometric logins. Just use your fingerprint for seamless entry. If you run into any common issues, our troubleshooting tips will help you resolve them easily. Enjoy the benefits of using the Regions Bank mobile app for all your modern banking needs.